Hey everyone, RB here, and today we're going to be having a look at Filmora 13's new curved text feature that can change your text to a curve, a circle, and everything in between. Let's check out and see how I used it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to go to the titles section, and I'm going to drag and drop one of these titles onto my timeline. I'm going to then go into the editing part of the titles. As you can see, I can change font, change colors, all that sort of stuff. And I'm going to select the shape option, so that's new. And as you can see there's already pre-made curves, so upper curves, lower curves, that kind of thing with various gradients. So I'm just going to resize it and place it into the middle of the screen. Excellent. A very quick way to change the look of your titles. Let's have a look at another way that we can use, and we'll have a look at the circle option. So again, very easy, you just press that shape button and it turns it into that shape that you want. Very quick and very easy. Okay, let's have a look and see what I did with it.
Hello friends, welcome to the Conspiracy Podcast. It's me, Mr. X, coming at you from a secret, undisclosed location. Today, we talk about the most elusive creature, Bigfoot, Mr., Mrs., or neither. Who knows? Let's just call him Bigfoot. Last year, my team launched an expensive and long expedition to the remote wilderness and tried to catch the beast using bait. We tried pizza or a lovely sponge cake. Both provided unsuccessful. We'll attempt another bait at a future date. Our second experiment was to see what sort of music our Bigfoot likes. Busting out cool hip-hop song to see if it gave us the relevant response, but it was a failure. We tried again with rock and or roll. Maybe, just maybe, he was more into grunge rock. Tests remain unconfirmed. Will we ever find Bigfoot? Or is this just another conspiracy? Dun dun dun! Haha! Subscribe and share the truth, friends, and keep alert.
And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for checking out my video today. Please press like and subscribe. I want you to also check out the link in my description for the Filmora Creator Hub. You'll find there thousands and thousands of videos from creators all around the world showcasing their unique videos and showing all the cool features that Filmora 13 has to offer. Make sure you check it out. Alright guys, catch you next time.